Alone Romeo is playing songs from the Romeos. Okay, hier also Alone Romeo mit einem Song, der ist auf der Platte Cool Wet Cross drauf. Den haben wir auch schon öfter damals live gespielt. Der heißt Mad Camelion. Und jetzt geht's los. Black dog, I turn into a green frog. I turn into a blue horse, turn into a red cat. Yeah, I don't wanna be a collared animal, but you turn me into a mad chameleon. Mad chameleon, mad chameleon. Mad chameleon, mad chameleon. But you turn me into a mad chameleon. You pull me in a dark house. You push me in the water. You pull me in the corral. You thrill me in my basket. Yeah, I don't wanna be a collared animal, but you turn me into a mad chameleon. Mad chameleon, mad chameleon, mad chameleon, mad chameleon. But you turn me into a mad chameleon. La 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 la. Yeah, I don't wanna be a collared animal, but you turn me into a mad chameleon. Mad chameleon, mad chameleon, mad chameleon, mad chameleon. But you turn me into a mad chameleon. Yeah, you turn me into a mad chameleon. Yeah, you turn me into a mad chameleon.